Guys, I'm gonna take a ice bath. First time in my life. Yeah, I don't know how it's gonna be happen, but I will definitely try. As I have tried a lot of things, but I have never tried before in my life. So this is gonna be the first ice bath ever. I'm gonna have it. I don't know. I'm so excited, and he's my friend Shani. He's also from Pakistan, from my country. Where are you from, by the way? Which city?
My dad's from Rawalpindi.
Rawalpindi. That's great.
Yeah.
I'm from Karachi.
Oh, yeah.
I'm from Karachi, so I just found him here, and I was recording all the stuff here in festival. So this is my first challenge as well. What I'm gonna record, like as you saw that my massage therapy. So this is gonna be ice therapy, and so stay tuned, guys.
So, have you ever done any kind of pranayama breath work, like something like that before?
I guess no.
Okay, so what we'll do is a little bit more. First, I'm going to teach you how to breathe when you're inside.
Okay.
So when you're inside, then you want to extend your exhale. So breathe in a little bit, out. So normal breaths, but make sure the exhale is longer. Yeah. The more you extend your exhale, so what we're going to do is we're going to practice a few of that now.
Yeah, welcome everyone to the space. As you can see, we're a little bit delayed. Mother Nature had other plans for us today. So we almost actually canceled the cacao ceremony because we thought, no, we want to sit down in this, but it's drying out so fast that you guys already started sitting down. So, alright, we can do this. So the cacao is being prepared right now. We'll be here shortly to begin this beautiful journey together.
Ready? Yeah, step inside. You want to get down to your neck. Sit down. Don't put your head under just yet. Just down to your neck.
Directly put down.
That's it. Up to your neck.
Like this.
Yes. Okay.
Like this. Please, I will put on the floor.
Sit down. Find something. 3 minutes. I think you got it this time. When you get over the initial shock, start to bring it back. Ah, good.
It's a bad idea. I got it. I'm feeling now. It's amazing. Super cool, super amazing. I'm feeling so fantastic. like it is in the first how I first breathe first minute so hard but now it's like I put my other hand.
Well, it's not 80% of the time, it's just sometime it will be 80%.
So how many minutes I have completed?
2 minutes. So you want to do 3? It'd be good to dunk your head under.
After that, do head as well, let's see.
So last minute.
Oh, tem história que não estamos a ver. Apanhar. Assim, eu estar Oh! Anda lá. Vai que ela passar no mesmo sítio que eu escondi.
10 seconds left. Enjoy these last 10 seconds and then look your head under.
Olá, easy!
Nice.
This time I got it.
Hello, we do some right.
And I'm like you can have mine if you want.
Let's go.
Oh my god.
How was your first ice bath experience?
It's so amazing. I'm feeling like some electric shock in my body. I'm like, oh my god. Like all my body parts is like, woo!
Electric shock.
Something
You
like
feel alive.
Yeah. Muscle is getting born.
I'm not ready.
Oh my god, so amazing.
Let's go. Let's do some breathing.
Okay, let's go. I'm excited for you. I want to see.
So, I'm going to teach you the breathing to do.